Hiya, I'm in Ysgol Gyfun Dyffryn Amman in Ammanford, and I'm trying to find out about a new programme which has been implemented in schools called the 5x60. It's about sport and kids, and there's some kids down here. Let's go and have a look, see what we can see. Right, Alan, Harry, what's your job here? What do you do?
I'm 5x60 officer working for Commerce County Council.
Right.
Basically, the Welsh Assembly have set a strategy out called Climbing Higher, and in the strategy it states that all pupils should be doing 1 hour of activity 5 times a week, so hence 5x60.
Yeah.
We've got things like fencing, aikido, basketball, boys and girls, football and rugby, girls cricket.
It's a chance for all pupils to have a try, not just the pupils that participate in school teams.
Yeah.
We like to focus on the pupils that are not quite in the school teams but still want to take part in physical activity.
And the emphasis on fun, yeah?
Yeah, all about fun. It's not about competition, it's all about fun.
Sorry, excuse me, can I interrupt you?
Yes,
What's
sure.
your name?
My name's Kathy.
Kathy, what do you do here?
Well, I'm a maths teacher at the school, but I
Yeah.
also run the tennis club as well, which is part of the 560 programme. We meet once a week on a Wednesday after school.
Yeah.
And we have up to about 30 children coming every week.
Girls and boys?
Girls and boys,
And all
yes.
ages,
All
then?
ages, yes.
Right, we'll go.
Yes,
All right,
join in.
then. You better take my hat off, is it? Right. Oh, I'm sweating already. Right, there's bound to be tons more things here. Gymnasium, should be something in it. Basketball. I was school captain of the basketball team. Oh, I should be great at this. Got the t-shirt, got the hands, got the feet. There we go.
Only way he's going to score, right? Oh, and one leg each, 1, 2, 3, jump, go!
Yay! Here we are, basketball, easy. Next.
Snap, pointing your thumb down the middle, right hand underneath, nice and close, with your thumb down the middle.
Right, Phil, fencing, where do we start?
Well, this is fencing.
Oh, right. Huh? Stephen Perks, head teacher. You've seen this 560 come into the school, haven't you?
Yes. Well, it's enthusiastic because of the fact they're all in it together.
Yeah.
It's not as if you got 1 or 2 very good cricketers and everyone else waiting their turn, maybe half an hour later. Yeah. Because of the nature of the sport itself and the way the pupils are playing it, new to the game, everyone has that small little opportunity and then they're increasing their ability as they go along.
I don't think this is quite fair. I'm not playing anymore.
I didn't know what to expect for this 5x60 when I came to the school, but it's obviously a really big success in the Amman here. And if your school hasn't got it, get it quick!